Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to dive in the world of creative problem solving by exploring ideation techniques. Our main objective is to understand why it is important to generate several solutions, ideas before setting on one. Well, be covering while we need multiple ideas, brainstorming is, how to process works, and finally, what our team task will be. Why generate multiple solution ideas? So, let's start with a big question. Why not just go with first good ideas that comes in mind? Why generate multiple solution ideas? So, as you can see here, this diagram shows four key reasons. First, to explore a wide range of possibilities. When you brainstorm any different option, you cast a wider net. This prevents you from getting a tunnel vision and helps you to see the problems in various angles and might have missed otherwise. Second, that we can see in this diagram is help us avoid premature commitment. It's very easy to fall in love with first decent solutions we think of. But we're forcing ourselves to become more ideas we don't get locked in too early. This also helps us avoid a common trap of called solution looking for problem. We will try to force our favorite ideas to fit, even it's not the best match. Third, it fosters team collaborations. The first generating ideas together is a fantastic way of building work. It encourages us to listen and appreciate diverse perspective from everyone on team. Each person bring their own unique experiences and viewpoint, which enriches the pool of ideas. And finally, on the diagram, it reveals unexpected insight. This is where magic really happens. A simple idea from one person can spark more complex, brilliant ideas from another, ideas upon each other, leading to innovative solutions that no single person would have thought of on their own. Next, here we have brainstorming and what are its benefits. One of the most powerful, unique for generation multiple ideas is brainstorming. So, what is it? Its a core of brainstorming is based on belief of that group collaboration can produce more better ideas than individuals working alone. It's simple but powerful concept that our collective creativity is greater than our individual creativity. Brainstorming isn't just one type of problem, it has many use cases. Let's look at a few examples here. First, we can see here product innovations. This is about developing new, groundbreaking products or services that meet emerging customer needs. Think about how streaming services were born from brainstorming better ways for people to watch movies beyond physical DVDs. Next, we have here is marketing. Brainstorming is essential for generating unique and effective campaigns that grab attention of target audiences with compelling messages. This could be anything from coming from catchy slogans to design a viral social media challenge. Next here we have cost optimization. So this involves finding ways to reduce expenses and improve efficiency without compromising on quality or performance. A team might brainstorm how to use less packaging material or streamline a product process to save money. Next here we have hiring. So it can even be used in HR to devise creative recruitment strategies to attack and retain talented teams, members, and interns. This could mean brainstorming on new places to find candidates or unique ways to conduct interviews. Next we have here is what is the process of brainstorming. So effective brainstorming doesn't just happen. It follows structured process to ensure the best results. Let's walk through to the 8 key steps here. First, we have to define the problem. First, you must have a crystal clear understanding of the problem you are trying to solve. If the problem is vague, the ideas will do too. Select a diverse group. Bring people from different backgrounds, departments, and select level of experiences into the room. Diversity thought is fuel to a great brainstorming. Next here, in the process of brainstorming, is set good rules. This is crucial step. You need to establish rules for sessions to ensure it's safe, productive space for everyone. Next step is to choose a facilitator. This person isn't to contribute ideas but to guide sessions, to keep track, enforce, and ground rules, and make sure everyone participates. Next here we have generate ideas. This is the core of the session. The team focuses on generating many ideas as possible related to defined problem. Sixth step, do not evaluate. This is tied directly to the ground rules during the idea generation phase. All ground suspended. No idea is criticized or debated. The goal is to quantity over quality at this stage. Group and categorize. Once you have a long list of ideas, you can start organize them. Group similar ideas together and look for common themes or categories. And the last step is to evaluate and prioritize. Now is the time for evaluation. Team discuss the group ideas, weigh the pros and cons, and prioritize them, decide which one to pursue further. Now, let's talk more about crucial ground rules we mentioned in the 3 steps. First, no restriction of ideas or people. This is the most important rule that must create a safe space for people to feel comfortable sharing without fear or judgment. Second is to welcome wild ideas, encourage out-of-the-box thinking. Sometimes craziest sound ideas can lead to a most brilliant breakthroughs. Third, aim for quantity. The goal is to generate large volume of ideas. The more ideas we have, the higher chance of finding the great one. Next is to build on the ideas of others. Use as yes and end approach instead of shutting down an idea. Build on it and use the springboard for another one. And the last is every participant contributes. Ensure that everyone in the room have voice and encouraged to share their thoughts. Lastly, have your deliverable. Alright, now it's time to put into this practice. Our team deliverable will be created a list of solution ideas using brainstorming. Here are the 3 steps we'll make into your teams. Step 1, review. Before you start, get the same page, review the problem statement you are working on, and make sure everyone understands the customer segments and personas you're targeting. Second is brainstorming. In your teams, you will conduct brainstorming exercise, follow the process and the ground rules we just discussed, come up with potential ideas. Step 3 is to identify the top ideas. After the session, your team will group, categorize, and evaluate all ideas you generated. Your final task is to identify top 5 ideas that you feel are the most promising and for the problem you are working on. So, to wrap up, we have seen why generating main ideas is crucial for innovation. We've defined brainstorming, looked at this process, and established the ground rules for process. The goal is to leverage our collective creativity and the best possible solutions. Thank you very much. So this is the ideation techniques.